Great day, everybody. Over here to tackle this this driveway here. I did that driveway a few months ago. Still looks pretty good. The one all the way over there. So this guy here saw me doing it and actually said, "Man, I never in my life seen anybody clean a driveway like that." So at any rate, he called us back to his property to take care of his. And this happened, wow, several months ago. I think it was still pretty cool outside during that time. But at any rate, we're getting ready to tackle this. Stay tuned for the aftermath. See you soon. Peace. Great day, sir. How are you, man? All right, y'all. Part of it has already been completed from here back to the front. So far, so good. I want you to check this out right here. Basically, I've already pre-treated this section. As you can see, it's kind of brown. That's the chemical actually working. That's an indication that it's working. But once it dries up like this, after you've treated, you've already cleaned a certain area, just come back and just wet the surface again lightly, and it will reactivate the chemical. Just do a light little mist over top of it, and it'll reactivate it, and it'll continue to work for you. So that by the time, as you can see here, you see the soap start to come back up. That's actually the soap that's already on the ground, or the chemical that's already on the ground. Just a little tip for you. Watch on, people. All right, this is just after the initial treatment of the walkway. Yep. After the initial treatment of the walkway. All right, stay tuned.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extra.